Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display the current time in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to worldtimeserver.com. This website provides accurate real-time clock displays that you can embed directly into your OBS scenes, which is perfect for streams, recordings, or any content where you need to show the current time. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the center of the screen where you'll find the current time section. Just below this section, you'll see a list of different countries and major cities displayed. This allows you to select the specific time zone you want to display. Go ahead and click on your preferred country or major city from the list. If you don't immediately see your location, you can also use the search bar to quickly find your preferred country or major city. This makes it easy to pinpoint exactly the time zone you need without scrolling through the entire list. After selecting your location, look at the top of your browser and copy the URL link from the address bar. This link is what will allow OBS to pull the live time display directly from the website. Now open your OBS application. In the bottom left corner of the screen, navigate to the Sources panel. Click on the plus sign to add a new source. Then from the drop-down menu that appears, select Browser. This option allows you to embed web content directly into your OBS scene. A new window will pop up asking you to name the source. Rename it to current time or whatever makes sense for your setup. Then click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see a URL field with an existing link already in it. Navigate to this URL field, delete the existing link, and paste the URL link you copied earlier from the World Time Server website. Once you've pasted it, click OK to confirm. You should now see the browser source appear in your OBS scene. However, you'll notice it displays the entire web page, not just the current time. In order to see only the current time, you'll need to crop the browser source. To do this, hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then click and drag the corners of the browser source inward. Make sure only the current time is visible and everything else is cropped out. This gives you a clean, professional look without any extra clutter from the website. Finally, drag the cropped time display to your preferred location on the screen. You can position it anywhere that works best for your layout, whether that's the top corner, bottom, or anywhere else on your canvas. And there you have it. You've successfully added a live current time display to your OBS Studio setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.